Okay, let's move to the question number 6. Solve the following equation. We have the equation which is the absolute value of x square minus 5x is equals to 6. So x square minus 5x equals to negative 6. First one we will take this one, and on the other side we will have x square minus 5x equal to 6. One time we will take positive, second time we will take negative value. X square minus 5x, and when we switch negative 6 on the left side it will be positive 6 equal to 0. This one is a quadratic equation, and this quadratic equation can be solved by factorization. For example, negative 3 times negative 2 we will have positive 6, and when we add them we will have negative 5, and 6 times 1 is equal to 6. So we can write it x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. Now taking x common we will have x minus 3 minus 2 common, then we will have x minus 3 equal to 0. Taking x minus 3 common and we will have x minus 2 equal to 0. So we have the two factor equating each with 0. So x minus 3 equal to 0. On the other side we have x minus 2 equal to 0. So this one is x equals to 3. On the other side x is equal to 2. Now we need to solve this equation too. So we have x square minus 5x. When we switch positive 6 on the left side it will be negative 6 equal to 0. Okay, we can solve this equation by factorization. For example, negative 6 times 1 is equals to negative 6. When we add them, negative 6 plus 1 we will have negative 5. Okay, so we will have x square minus 6x plus x minus 6 equal to 0. When we take common x, so x minus 6 plus 1 common and x minus 6 equal to 0. So we will have x plus 1 times x minus 6 equal to 0. So we have the two factor here also, which is x plus 1 equal to 0, and on the other side we have x minus 6 equal to 0. So this one is x is equal to negative 1, and on the other side x is equal to 6. So now we have the four values of x, which is x is equal to negative 1, then 2, then 3, then 6. These are the solution of the given equation.